किसान बैठे हैं, ये नक्सल हैं, खालिस्तानी हैं, विपक्ष इन्हें बरगला रहा है, इस तरह के आरोप लग रहे हैं।
देखिए, बीजेपी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का एक ही लक्ष्य है और वो किसान समझ गया है, मजदूर समझ गया है। लक्ष्य है कि उनके आसपास जो 2, 3, 4 बड़े क्रोनी कैपिटल्स हैं, उनके लिए पैसे बनाने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी करते हैं। जो भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के खिलाफ खड़े होते हैं, वो उनके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ गलत बोलते रहते हैं। किसान खड़े हो जाएंगे तो किसान को आतंकवादी बोलेंगे, मजदूर खड़े हो जाएंगे तो मजदूर को आतंकवादी बोलेंगे। एक दिन अगर मोहन भगवत खड़े हो गए तो कहेंगे ये भी आतंकवादी है। मतलब जो भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी से सत्ता लेने की कोशिश करेगा वो आतंकवादी है। और नरेंद्र मोदी किसके लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो मैंने आपको बता दिया। उनके 2-3 आसपास के क्रोनी कैपिटलिस्ट हैं जिनको वो पूरा का पूरा हिंदुस्तान पकड़ा रहे हैं। ये रियलिटी है। Look, the point is, it's a very simple thing. There are millions of people who live off our agricultural system. Large percentage of our people live off our agricultural system. These are laborers, they are farmers, they are small traders, these are these people. And they are the backbone of the country. Now, we understand that agriculture has to be reformed. What we are saying is that if you destroy this system, these millions of people will have nothing to do. They will not be able to feed themselves. And you will create massive destruction, massive pain in the country. Why is the Prime Minister doing this? It is a very simple calculation. The Prime Minister is doing this because he wants to help 2 or 3 business people. He does not care what happens to these people. He will construct whatever narrative he has to construct to make sure that the wealth transfer that is taking place to 3 or 4 people continues. He will call people terrorists. He will call people anti-nationals. He will call people criminals. He will do whatever he has to do to transfer the wealth from these people, the backbone of this country, to those people, 3 or 4 of them, 5 of them. That's the crux. And we are fighting this. We are saying that in India, where you have destroyed the agricultural system, will not function. Just like I said, take Corona seriously. Corona is going to kill people in massive numbers if you do not act. At that time they said, scaremongering. Now they're not saying scaremongering. When I suggested to the Prime Minister that do not do this in a centralized way, give power to the chief ministers, he didn't do it. He caused thousands and thousands of people to die because he didn't do it. And then afterwards, after I said it in the press conference, he did it. So the point is, you have an incompetent man who is controlled by certain other people. This is what India has to understand. This is what all youngsters have to understand.